Emily, the older I get, the more I realize how important family is.
I feel the same way. When I was younger, I thought friends and work were everything. But now I see that family is the foundation of everything else.
Exactly. You can have success, money, even recognition, but if you don't have your family by your side, it feels empty.
True, a united family gives you strength when life gets tough. It's like having a team that never gives up on you.
That's a good way to put it. A team. And it's not just about receiving love, it's also about giving it back. Supporting one another builds bonds that last a lifetime.
Yes, I think unity comes from small actions. Eating together, listening to each other, and showing respect even when we disagree.
I agree. Disagreements happen, but unity means choosing to stay connected no matter what. Forgiveness plays a big role too.
Oh, absolutely. If we hold on to anger, it only breaks the family apart. But when we forgive, we heal and the family grows stronger.
I think that's why traditions are so important. Holidays, birthdays, even Sunday dinners, they create moments that keep everyone together.
And they become memories we carry forever. Sometimes it's not the big events, but the little routines that matter most.
My parents always told me, family is your safe place. Now I understand. The world can be harsh, but home should always be a place of peace.
That's beautiful. I want to build that kind of family too, where children feel loved and supported, where everyone feels like they belong.
And that's the legacy we leave behind. Not just money or possessions, but love, unity, and values that guide the next generation.
Exactly. At the end of the day, success fades, looks fade, but family love remains. That's what truly matters.
Couldn't agree more. A united family is the greatest treasure anyone could have.
Then let's make a promise. No matter where life takes us, we'll always keep family at the center.
Deal. Because family unity is the key to a meaningful life.